Now I want you to start with inhaling to look up at the sky, chin all the way up. And then very slowly bring your chin all the way to your chest as you exhale. You can do that 2 more times. And 1 more time. Okay. Now come to the center and I want you to go sideways. So bring your ear to one shoulder and then the ear to the opposite shoulder. So neck bending side to side. Do it about 2 times on each side. Do it in such a way that they can repeat it if we want repetitions. And let's twist. Now look to the right after you're done on both sides. Look to the right. Come back to the center. Very slowly look to the left. Come back to the center. Do that 1 more time. And 1 last time to the left side. Beautiful. Come to the center and let's start neck rotations. You can do maybe 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise. Beautiful. And once you come back to the center, place your hands next to your hips. You're going to stand about 1 foot, 2 feet away. Your feet, 1 foot away. Interlock your fingers. Okay, let's start. So hands by the side first. Okay. Now interlock your fingers. And now from here, turn your palms towards the floor and lift your hands all the way up. While you raise the arms, bring it in one line with your shoulders. You don't look up, you keep looking forward. And now raise the heels off the floor. Yeah, you can stay there. Keep stretching. Make sure your hands are close to your ears. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now slowly bring your hands down first and then slowly bring your heels down. Would you like to do that 1 more time? Okay. Slowly look forward, interlock your fingers, turn it around and then take your hands up. When you're ready, lift your heels off the floor. Pick that point eye level so you're a little more steadier. Keep staying for about 10 counts. And then when you're ready, you will come down with your hands and then your heels down. Okay, now we'll go into the tree pose. So the Vrikshasana. You're going to continue standing where you are. You're just going to lift that one leg and bring the right heel to your left opposite in the inside of your left thigh. Hands by the side. You can shoot yourself just taking your hands up. So take your hands slowly all the way up in a namaste. Stay there. And when you want to come down, you can't hold it any longer. Bring your hands down first and then bring your leg. And slowly repeat on the opposite side. And from here, slowly bring your hands down first and then your leg down. Stay there for a few seconds. Stay steady. Look forward. Okay. Now what we can do is we can get into the Surya Namaskar. So this is quite good enough to just warm up. Pranamasana, yes. Now raise your hands as you inhale. Take your hands up to the ceiling, to the sky. You can arch your back. As you exhale, go all the way forward and try to flatten out your palms next to your feet, forehead towards your knees and stay there. Stay there for 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to go into Anjani Asana. So you're going to take your right leg all the way back into a lunge. Look forward, arch your back, don't drop your knees. Stay there for a few seconds. Beautiful. Palms flat on the ground, don't move it. Now left leg back into a plank. Look forward at the forward edge of the mat. Yes. Ashtanga Namaskar, where you're going to drop your knees, chest, chin, elbows close to the body. Beautiful. Come up all the way into Bhujangasana. Roll your shoulders back, extend your toes. Shoulders down, open up, smiling collarbones. Beautiful. Stay there for a few seconds. That correction was good. And now raise your hips into a downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push your heels into the ground. Use that flexibility you have. Push your chest all the way back. Beautiful. Look at your belly button if you can. Okay. Now we'll get our right leg all the way forward back into Anjani Asana, into a lunge. Right leg forward in one line with your palms. Palms flat. Don't move that. Beautiful. Stay there for a few seconds. And now let's get the left leg forward all the way. And again, palms flat, forehead towards your knees. You're going to take your hands up all the way. Exhale, flatten out your palms, forehead towards your knees. Left leg back, inhale into a lunge. Right leg back into a plank. No breath as you drop your knees, chest, chin. Inhale up to Bhujangasana, extend your toes. Exhale into a downward dog. Raise your hips to tiny steps and push into your heels. Step your left leg forward, Anjani Asana, inhaling. Step your right leg forward, flatten out your palms, forehead towards your knees. Inhale, your hands go all the way up. And remember, when you exhale, you just come back into Namaste by your chest. Stay there for straighten out. Yes. Now turn, look forward at the camera. Bring both your feet parallel. We'll directly go into the opposite side. Left foot to the left side. Right foot in 45 degrees. Turn your torso. Bend your knee and take your hands up. Hands up, hands up. Lovely. Stay there again. 5 breaths. Make sure that left, I can't tell if the left knee, is the left knee crossing left ankle or what? Can you tell? Because then the pose will be wrong. Huh? Okay. Just stay there for a few more seconds, and when you feel like coming back, you can, and then we'll go into the warrior 2. And okay, now stay here, keep breathing. Let's begin again. Now again, now turn your right foot to the right side, left foot in 45 degree. Keep looking at the camera, keep looking at the camera. Okay, now open up your hands in shoulder level. Okay, now look to the right side and bend your knee. Yes. Now make sure, what you can actually do is look at your right hand, turn your head, look at your left hand. So the cue can be that your hands should be in one straight line. You can look back and forward, make sure that they are in one straight line. Now look forward, you have to be fierce like a warrior. Squeeze your shoulders together. So stay for a few more seconds. When you feel like coming out, you can. Slowly come back. Yes, bring your hands down. Turn again, parallel feet. Open up your hands and then bend the left knee. Beautiful. Stay for a few seconds. When you're ready, you can come back. Okay. Now stay there again. Bring your hands in a namaste. Take a few seconds. Okay. Now we are going to do the Trikonasana. So for the Trikonasana, again, turn your right foot to the right side. Bring your left foot in 45 degree. Look at the camera. Don't turn your torso. Open up your hands shoulder width. Okay, now lean to your right side. Lean to your right side and then go down. Try to flatten out your palm on the ground. Beautiful. And look up. Beautiful. Keep pulling your left hip bone back. Keep staying. The left arm is in like one straight line with the right arm. Yeah? Okay, stay there for like a few seconds. When you're ready to come up, remember to keep everything straight. Your hands, your upper body will come back first. Your knee is still straight. Okay, I think it's time to come up. Inhale. Okay, relax your hands and bring the leg back. Now let's do it on the opposite side. Open left foot 90 degree. Keep looking at the camera. Keep looking at the camera. Right foot in 45 degree. Then open up your hands shoulder level. Now lean to the left. Lean towards your plants. And then go down. Very slowly go down and look up to the right side. Beautiful. Your palm should be facing the camera. and then slowly come up as you inhale. Bring your hands down first, look at the camera, and join your feet and then make a namaste. Just stay there for a few seconds, that's it. Now we'll come to seated. Your back straight, okay. So this is also called Dandasan. So we can just say that like for 5 breaths, stay in Dandasan. You want to sit with your spine erect, the sit bones into the floor. And when you're ready, let's go into butterfly, your Baddha Konasana or your Bhadrasan, whatever you call it. Make a namaste with your feet. And slowly pull and clasp your toes together and back straight as much as you can. If your thighs don't touch the floor, it's fine. If you're not as flexible, your heels can be slightly away from your groin. That's also okay. I think we can add a little bit of flapping here just to show the beginners how to,